Welcome to Crypto, and in this video we're going to take a quick trade on Bybit exchange, whereby you're going to scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities right here using heavy crypto triangular crypto arbitrage scanner. And then we're going to try to find some opportunities, and then we're going to jump right into Bybit crypto exchange and take a live triangular crypto arbitrage trade. So if you like this kind of videos, guys, make sure you destroy the like button for YouTube algorithm. We're helping the channel as we're growing every day. We're on the way to 50k. So right now you can see that I have my skin already and I'm ready to scan. I'm just going to go ahead and put my markets without wasting any time and stuff like that. So we are using USDT market. As you can see, I've already saved my information right here. So we are using USDT market, and the amount we're going to be trading with 100 USD, because this is the amount that a lot of you have been requesting me to do. So later on we're gonna also jump into another trade whereby you're gonna trade with more than 500 USD and stuff like that, because a lot of you have been asking me to use 100 and 500 USD. So we want to see the top 7 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. Actually, let's put 6 triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, the top 6 that we're gonna find on Bybit crypto exchange. So since this is a manual trade, we're just gonna leave all this blank, and then we're gonna go ahead and make sure that this is disabled. Right, if you want to do auto trade, you're gonna have to enable this and put your API keys right here, and put your secret key right here, and also put your pin right here, and also have to put the amount that you want to invest right here on the scanner. Actually, you just have to put the amount that you have on your Bybit account, because once you connect the scanner to your Bybit account, it's automatically gonna start trading, and you're gonna be able to see all your past trades right here, all the history right here. So it's just going to be trading for you. As soon as it finds an arbitrage opportunity, it's going to execute the trade and make profit and stuff like that every day. You know what I mean? So since I'm recording this video, I haven't put my my secret key, API key and stuff like that, and I can't disclose such kind of information right here on YouTube. But we're gonna make a video for that, so I'm gonna show you the whole process. Actually, I already made a video about auto trading. You can go ahead and check on this channel, and I'll leave the link to that video in the description below as well, for auto trading, whereby I showed you how exactly you can connect to all this stuff and delete the scanner, trade for you and stuff like that. So we're gonna make sure that you disable this feature auto trading right here, because this is manual trade. I want to show you how exactly you can find these opportunities, and it's simple for beginners and stuff like that. Know what I mean? So we're just gonna go ahead and click apply, and then it's just gonna scan for triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities on Bybit. And then once we find these opportunities, we're gonna jump into my phone, and then I'll show you how exactly you can take advantage of these opportunities. Already, so you can see that we found some arbitrage opportunities right now, and XRP is hot at the moment. As I say, we actually got XRP to ETH and XRP to BTC. It didn't take long. It took like 15 seconds to 20 seconds to find these triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities, and we're just gonna take one of these 3, because most of these are we got like 8% from each. As you can see, we're gonna need USDT, then swap USDT to XRP, then XRP to Ethereum. All right, and then you're gonna get at least 8%. And another one is also USDT to XRP, from XRP to BTC, and same applies to this one again, still getting that 8%. So XRP is hot today, and we're just gonna jump right into my phone without wasting any time. As you can see, we have like 6 to 15 minutes to take advantage of this triangular crypto arbitrage opportunities. All right, so let's just jump right into my phone, and then I guess we're just gonna take this second one, whereby gonna need USDT in our wallet, then gonna swap to XRP, then swap XRP to BTC, then sell BTC to USDT, and finish the trade, and this amount you're gonna get. So alrighty, guys, so right now we're in my phone, and we're just gonna go ahead and do that triangular crypto arbitrage opportunity that we found on Bybit and stuff like that after scanning. Know what I mean? So as you can see, this is the amount that I'm gonna trade with, and we put 100 USD, and these are opportunities that we have for 100 USD. Know what I mean? So we're just gonna go right into trade right here. And first thing first, we're gonna need some USDT, and that's what I have in my wallet, as you can see right there. So we're gonna have to buy some XRP using USDT. So we're just gonna go and search for XRP like this, right? and click this one right here on top, XRP to USDT, and it has dropped at least minus 9%. You know what I mean? So it's crazy today. So we're just gonna spend the whole available balance that we have. In this case, we're gonna spend at least 99.98 worth of USDT to get some XRP. You know what I mean? So we're getting 43.41 worth of XRP in this case, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put a trade. Right, let's buy at this price at least like this, and let's put a trade. Boom, just like that. Now is in the order book waiting to be filled. And this one thing I don't like about using limit order is because it's gonna just be in the order book waiting to be filled, while it's the Chandra scanner told us that we have at least 6 to 15 minutes. So I want to do this as soon as possible and stuff like that. But XRP to USDT doesn't really take time, we can wait. But in this case, let me just use a market order so that we'll wait and stuff like that, right? So 100%, let's buy, right? Just like that, boom. Now we have some XRP in our wallet. As you can see, I don't have USDT. We have 43.29 worth of XRP, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and sell this XRP to BTC. All right, so we're gonna go right here and search XRP to BTC. All right, XRP to BTC right here, and let's see. XRP to BTC has gone down by minus 5%, and this is also a reason why we found this opportunity. You know what I mean? So let's sell this XRP right here, this 43 XRP to BTC, 100% like this. All right, and click sell, and boom, just like that. Now we have some BTC in our wallet. All right, some BTC in our wallet right here, as you can see. So we're gonna go ahead and search for BTC to USDT, and that's our final stage to get some profits and stuff like that, and you're gonna see how much money we're making and everything. All right, so let's search right here, BTC to USDT right here is minus 3% at least. So we're just gonna go ahead and click sell, and you're gonna spend the whole 100% right here. All right, and you can also use a limit order or a market order, doesn't really matter. But in this case, we can just go ahead and sell this to USDT, and we're just gonna go ahead and click confirm. Now let's check. Boom, now you can see that we ended up making at least 7 USD because we started with 100 USD, and right now we ended up having 107.7 USD. So exactly as written on the scanner, and this is how much money we also made from the scanner. So you can repeat this process as much as you can, as long as arbitrage opportunities are still there and are showing you every time. And it's way better if you also automate the whole process so that it can be easier for you. You know what I mean? So this is it, guys. My name is Arthur, guys. Don't forget subscribe and leave a like button for YouTube algorithm, as you're helping the channel. Therefore, see you in the video, guys, and I'll leave another video for live triangle crypto arbitrage and stuff like that right here. Make sure you watch that video to the very end, and all my social media platforms and stuff like that. And the link to this scanner is also gonna be in the description below as well. So this is my name is Arthur, guys. Get that for the video, guys. Love and peace. Cheers.